rain is black and white, black and white. The rain is black and white. From the demons on the ground, no, from the angels in the light shining down. But when a big star comes down, that doesn't matter, 'cause it's not them, it's them. It doesn't matter what they gotta say, 'cause if they go up, that's good, but if they go down, that's bad. No, the rain is black and white, so we can turn this up. We can turn this up. If the ants go down to the ground, that's called black angels. 'Cause there was no thing that you've ever seen. When you see my light, think that you can shine from there, but you can't shine from there. You can only shine from the sky. When you shine from the sky, angels from darkness and black and rain, angels from the darkness, angels from the black and light and rain.